Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add someone from another country on Snapchat, and here's how it is done. First, open your Snapchat app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the Snap Map icon on the camera screen to access the map. This map shows you the locations of your friends and allows you to discover Snapchatters from around the globe. You can pinch your fingers on the screen to zoom in or out on the map, or use the search icon to look for your preferred country. For example, search for New York City or any other region you are interested in. Locate the area on the map where you want to find friends. Tap on a location or area of interest, and you will see Bitmoji icons representing Snapchatters in that locations or their stories. Click on a Bitmoji icon to view that Snapchatter's profile. If you want to add them, just tap on the Add button on their profile. Once you have sent the friend's request, the person can accept it and you'll be connected on Snapchat. And that is everything you need to know about how to add someone from another country on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.